Now that I have gone over my pencil lines with something permanent, I don't need my pencil lines anymore. So I'll erase those along with all of my mistakes from my first draft in pencil. I'm going to try and correct this even more. Go over this line with a thicker marker so that it matches more like on this side. Also, my face is kind of squished a little bit this way and that way, so I'm going to see if I can correct that when I go over this line. Now, if I want to, I can color in my smiley. However, I recommend you do not color in your shapes, your drawings, until you've got the rest of the assignment done. Because what you're being graded on is how well you draw your image in pencil, then redraw it in ink. Remember that you're redrawing only the best lines. So basically, I wouldn't color until you get the rest of your work done so that you will actually get the graded portion of your work completed. So let's talk about grades. This is what an A would look like, not because it's colored in. Color is not required. It is because I carefully drew it as accurately as possible in pencil, then went over the best lines or redrew new lines with ink, again to make it look as accurate to this picture as possible. There might be mistakes, but they are very, very minimal. So that's an A. This is a B. I drew it in pencil, I picked the best lines in ink, but I still made some little mistakes. See how the mouth isn't completely symmetrical or curved quite like this one is? See how this eye is a little bit off to that side? That is why this project is a B. A C is something like this. If you do not go over the best lines with ink, then it's an automatic C because you skipped out on almost half of the work. And a C means that you did the project goal halfway. Also, you can see in this C example that there are a few things missing. This little line is missing from the other side. It's a little rushed, and see how this circle is smaller than this one? So there's mistakes, and I did not pick the best lines with ink. That's why this one is a C. This one is a D, because the lines are not gone over with Sharpie or something else permanent. It is super duper rushed. It didn't even stay inside of the box. And the grid lines were not used to help draw this picture accurately. It's more like what I actually did here to make this example was I just looked at this and then really fast drew it over here. So this is a D. And finally, this is an F. Nothing. The only way you earn Fs in my class is by not trying or by not turning in your work. All right, that's everything I've got to share with you at the moment. I'm going to turn it over to the live Ms. Linsky to answer any of your questions. And during class today, you are welcome to go up to the smartboard and replay this video as often as you need.